Hey guys, it's Kathy. I hope you're doing well. Well, I hope you're doing better than this judge. She's about to get it, and she doesn't care one bit. She does not care. She just keeps going on and on like nothing's happening, and a lot is happening. Warning, there's a lot of swearing. Here we go.
I don't have documentation on the clause ending in 678. Marky, could you pull that up for me? And when I'm ready for you, you can tell me the allegations. Thank you. All right, are you Miss Brady?
Yes, I am.
All right, you're here on initial hearing under cause ending in 200. You've been charged with battery against a public safety officer as a level 6 felony.
You attacked me first.
Penalty on a level 6 felony is 6
Well,
months
you know
to
what?
2.5 years and fines up to $10,000.
Plead guilty, and I'm not taking a plea. I'm fighting.
You've also been charged with criminal trespass as a Class A
I did not have
misdemeanor.
any paraphernalia.
Penalty on a Class A misdemeanor is 0 days in jail up to 1 year and fines up to $5,000. And possession of paraphernalia as a C misdemeanor. Penalty 0 days in jail up to 60 days in jail and fines up to $500.
Well, I want to press charges
Probable
against this
cause has
officer.
been
How
found
do I
for
do
your
that?
arrest. I'll be entering a plea of not guilty on your behalf. Please be advised, when you're charged with a criminal offense, you have certain constitutional rights. You have the right to a public and speedy trial by jury.
And I want
Right
that.
to cross-examine
I
and
wanted it
confront your
within 45
accusers.
days.
To subpoena witnesses on your own behalf at no cost to you if you could not afford to do so. The privilege against self-incrimination, the right to an attorney, and the right to bond. Your bond on this case
I'm not paying no bond. I don't
$4,000
like
cash.
people.
State of Indiana has asked me to
When
issue
is
a
my
stay-away
bond
order.
hearing
The
coming up?
stay-away order from the 3300 block of North Park Avenue. That motion will be granted. By signing this document, you're merely agreeing that I have in fact ordered you to stay away from 3300 block of North Park Avenue, located in Indianapolis, Indiana. State of Indiana has also asked me to issue a no contact order, forbidding you to have any contact with Lavora Brady, Avon Puckett. Do you know those folks?
That's my mother and her boyfriend.
Okay. I'm going to order you to stay away
It's been
from
like
those
that,
folks.
so why the fuck didn't y'all give me a chance?
I'm going to have you sign this document.
Y'all keep locking me up for my invalid mother.
Okay. Don't have any contact with her. You can't call her, write her, email her, text message her.
So I can't know that my mother's safe.
Third person try to make any contact. That would be a violation.
I can't make sure my mother's safe.
You got to stay away from her, okay? All right. Now, you also have a violation, cause ending in 678. Miss Markey is going to help me. Miss Markey, what was she on probation for, and what are the violations?
Trespassing. Violation trespassing.
The allegations, the first pending one is failed to refrain from committing a new crime offense. On May 21st of this year, Ms. Brady was charged with a battery against a public safety official.
Which I keep charging me, and they beat my ass. They beat me.
Clause number 4090-36-2505C and 01547. In the new allegation, failed to refrain from committing a new criminal offense. On June 13th of this year, Ms. Brady was charged with battery against a public safety official, criminal trespass, and possession of paraphernalia under the cause number 4090-36-2506-F601820.
Okay, the new case that took place on 5/21, is that also in our courtroom?
Yes.
I believe she pled guilty to that case, Judge.
And I had to because I wanted to get the fuck out. I did not like being institutionalized. And if I had to, I pled guilty to a lot of things that I haven't done because I want out. And that's the only way out. And y'all make it so people have to plead guilty and get cases and charges that are not of them.
Has that case been resolved?
I think it's no choice.
I believe it was.
Okay, I need to know yes or no for sure.
Let me look it up, Judge.
All right, Miss Brady, just calm down. I'm trying to figure things out here for you, okay?
It is set for a pre-trial on August 4th at 8:30 in person.
Well, should we set all of them then for August 4th at 8:30 in the person? Let me ask you this. Miss Brady, do you have any money to hire an attorney?
No, I don't.
All right. I'm going to find you
That would have
indigent.
kept locking me up and leaving my mother in charge of me, like she's my power of attorney, because I have a mental illness.
Okay.
I don't even understand. And she doesn't
Okay.
fuck either.
Can I have an attorney, please? I'm going to find her indigent, appoint a PD.
CJ Hugel was handling her pending case.
Who is?
CJ Hugel, but he got promoted. So
CJ Hugel needs a raise, a big raise.
So it's now another PD.
Hey, Rich, can you help us?
Did you have any questions for me?
Okay, Miss Rich, she's been appointed, okay? On the violation of probation.
Okay, look. See the lights? She's right in the same room with her. She needs a raise, a big raise.
I'm going to hold her on a no bond hold, no bond hold.
That's already given for 7 days only. So you're doing what?
Okay, Miss Rich, can you hear me?
Yes, Judge, can we set this for a bond review?
Well, I don't think that's going to help because she's got a violation. I'm putting a no bond hold. She also has 2 pending cases.
And I have a
Even if I
speedy
review her
trial, and
bond
you must
on
do
the
it anyway.
2 pending
It's
cases,
against the law
she's
to
not going to be
do it.
released on the violation.
Do you know the law, Judge? Because you sound like an invalid that was placed and not appointed by anybody. Who the fuck was appointed as a judge?
Judge, can we set this for pre-trial and we'll probably be filing for a competency evaluation?
Okay, her next court date on the other case, her next court date on her other case is August 4th at 8:30 in person. Should I just set everything for August 4th and wait to hear from you?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
Okay, and because again, you might be filing a motion in the next week or so, correct?
Judge, I also believe the August 4th date was set just to address the restitution on that case ending in 015947. It does
You
show
told
like
me
a
it was pending.
Right.
I need to find out why am I paying restitution for a trespassing case? And who is it to? Because I have not talked to the building manager to even know that it's even the owner's fucking name. And I don't owe anybody but the owner restitution in that case.
That's right. Another
No
attorney had
fucking officer, not
handled this case. I wasn't there, so, but I
Okay.
do think
And
it's
Miss
separate
Rich,
restitution.
she needs time to figure this out. I'm putting it off for August 4th, but that is, that's about 5 weeks away. So if you need to see the court sooner, Miss Rich, just file a motion and we'll get you in sooner, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can get shit done for y'all, but can't get shit.
Oh man. No, I can't get that hearing. No, I won't get that hearing. No, no one else will get that hearing. Because first off, this judge is exclusive to this channel. No one else gets this judge. No one else gets any of these judges except for me. And her hearing's in person. So it's not going to be live streamed. So unless I go there to whatever state this is, Indiana, I don't know, and sit in that courtroom and then blatantly record, which really would get me in a lot of trouble. I can't get this. So we won't ever know what happens. But we know what happened today. So actually this won't go to any type of trial or hearing for a long time right now because she just raised competency. Her own lawyer just raised competency. So this woman's going to have to go through and get an evaluation, which takes a long time. And then comply with the results of the whatever the doctor says she has to do before she's restored to competency. I mean, it's possible she'll be found competent right away. Who knows? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not a doctor, but I saw a couple doctors on TV, so maybe I do know. And then they'll have the hearing, and I'm sure there's body cam of her assaulting the police officer. And she did it at the house, so she was definitely trespassing. Oh well. Oh well. I don't know. Thank you so much for coming out today, guys. I really appreciate it. I really do. I'll see you again real soon. Have a good day. Bye.